Hello friends, so we will try to solve this SQL query today. So we have to find the profit or loss for each company after all operations. So this is our input table stocks. So it lists down the name of the companies or stock name. So for example, we have this company Godrej, and then we have the operations that are performed on this company and the price at which that a particular operation was performed. So for example, if we see this first record Godrej, the operation is buy and the price is 1200. That means we spent rupees 1200 to buy this stock. And then similarly Godrej sell, and we sold at 1300. So when we bought it, we spent money. When we sold it, we got money. So if we just see these two records, we gave 1200 rupees, we received 1300. So till this second record we are in profit of 100 rupees for this Godrej. So but not just for these two records, for this particular company we have to check for all these records. So we have to see how much is the total amount we spent on buying and how much is the total amount we spent on selling, and then based on that we have to see whether we are making some profit or loss, and same for the remaining two companies also. So we just have to do a plus and minus. The buys will be negative values, the sales would be positive values, and then we have to find the final sum. So let's solve this. Select stock name, operation, and now first what I will do, I am trying to make these values positive or negative based on selling or buying. So what I am doing is, when operation equal to buy, then I am simply, what I am doing, I am making this price as minus price, because this is the price that we spent, and if it is sell, then it will be positive price and as new price. So I am not generating any new values. What I am doing, I am just putting a minus sign when the operation is buy. Okay, so same values are there, but when it is a buy order, I am making it as a negative value. So see, Godrej buy minus 1200 because we spent this money, and when it is sold it is 1300 because it is a positive money, because we got this money. So now we don't need to do anything else, we just add these values, or we just sum these values with CTS. Select stock name and sum of what, new price, as profit loss from CTE, and group by stock name. Now this will give us the answer as profit loss. Let me just put this. Maybe I cannot put this. I will put capital. Okay, so here you can see. So let me just show you the source table also. So if we take this example of LG, so we bought at 1500, we sold at 5000, so our net profit is 3500. Similarly for this Voltas, we bought at 20,000, sold at 15,000, so loss of 5,000. And similarly if we add and subtract these values, we will get this answer of minus 500. Okay, so we got the final answer whether we made profit or loss. So thanks for watching this video, guys.